How to check Wi-Fi data usage on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top, and from the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and tap on connections. From here, go down, then tap on data usage. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Wi-Fi data usage. From here, you can view your Wi-Fi data usage based on the current cycle or the previous cycle. So here is the previous cycle and here is the current cycle for the Wi-Fi data usage. From here, you can scroll down and view which apps uses up the most data usage. In here, it will display the data usage from the highest to the lowest. And here we've got the secure folder using up 734 megabytes of data. And next we've got Fortnite. It's funny that secure folder sits right at the top even though it's not the highest, because secure folders is kind of like a different app on the phone. And here you can see now it starts from the Fortnite games. It starts to display from the highest down to the lowest. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So why would you want to check your Wi-Fi data usage? Now there are several reasons. Firstly is to monitor data limits. Some people have data caps on their home Wi-Fi plan, and monitoring Wi-Fi usage helps them stay within those limits to avoid extra charges. Other reasons are tracking app consumption, optimize network performance, managing multiple devices, troubleshooting, staying secure, and optimizing budget for internet plans. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.